Hello, hope you're doing fine wherever you are. Welcome to our channel, Joint Hands Green Life Trees. Today we are coming to you from our concrete processor, and I'll be updating you about all that they are undertaking here. This is among the tasks that are ongoing in Migori County and in the outskirts of Migori town. These guys process concrete products that play different roles in construction, and the reason why we saw it wise to air this is because we are involved in a couple of activities that have got to do with construction, and it is important that you understand the kind of construction materials that are processed around. This farm is called Naima Holdings, and I just spoke to its proprietors. They are not around. They would have spoken in this video, but we have their blessings to air this to you so that you get to understand the kind of work that is taking place here, the kind of concrete products that are made here, how they are made, and the quality they are. And while speaking to the proprietor, I also was made to understand that there are other products that are just being initiated because they haven't been always made. Among them are cabros that they are telling me they'll be starting to produce cabros as soon. And this is a task that they are into, and they've been doing it. We procured a couple of things from them before, but today I saw it wise that you get to understand where we get this stuff and how they are made. Welcome. My name is John Bosco for Joint Hands Green Life Trees. When I got over here, I met the guy who is in charge, and I'll give him opportunity to introduce himself before he starts taking me around and showing us the products that exist here. Your name?
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah.
My name is Patrick Omondi. This is where I'm working as a manager at the site of Naima Concrete Holding. Yeah, so we are privileged to be visited with one of our visitors today. So I'll show him all around what we are having in the site. Yeah.
Thank you. Yes, so Patrick here will be taking me around, showing me the various products, but I think let's initiate it from here. But along with that, you're taking lunch, eh? How are you? What is your name?
I'm Berio Tinoder.
Yeah, and you work here?
I'm a worker here.
Oh, okay. Yes. And you are having lunch?
Yes, I'm having lunch.
So this is ugali, mayai, sukuma wiki.
Yes.
Wonderful. How does it taste?
Delicious.
Very delicious.
Yes.
Tamu kabisa.
Yes.
Wonderful. Sasa wewe hapa unasaidia kazi kama gani? What do you do here?
Just work in every part.
Oh, okay. General. Oh, thank you so much. Yes. Yeah, keep up the good work. I love it. Thanks. Asante. Yeah, so let's start from here. Yeah, so Daryl, you said these are slabs?
Paving slabs.
Paving slabs.
Paving slabs.
Oh, okay. Yeah. And they are still in the mold.
They are still in the mold.
Yeah.
Yeah, these are they are still in the mold, so they have to take some duration. Yeah. Maybe until tomorrow. I think around 12 hours, yeah?
Yeah, so how long do they stay in the mold? 12 hours?
12 hours.
Yeah.
It will be removed inside the mold.
Yeah.
Because we used to smear the oil.
Oh, okay.
Inside the mold.
Oh, okay. So that it doesn't stick.
Yeah, stick, yeah.
Okay.
So after 12 hours,
yeah,
we'll be ready to come.
Okay, okay. Yeah. And then how long do you take curing?
Curing should be probably almost 1 month, so that it can be strong.
1 month?
Yeah.
So 1 month of watering the concrete every day?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like 3 times in a day.
3 times in a day? Oh, so that makes it stronger. Wonderful. Yeah. So all these are, guys, these are all concrete products that you can see, and they are paving slabs, meaning that sometimes you might want to lay slabs on the ground and you're not so certain where to get them. So Naima Holdings are the guys who are producing these paving slabs, many as you can see them, and you can see how quality they are. And as you check around, you do not see a single one that is broken, despite the process of moving them from time to time and also curing them. They are all intact. I think that assures us of the quality. Yeah, so I can see to this other side there are culverts. You can tell us something about the culverts.
Yeah, okay, we have different types of culvert sizes.
Yeah.
We have 900 millimeters of culverts.
Yeah.
We have 600 millimeters culverts.
So the millimeters are in terms of, is it the diameter?
The diameter, the inside diameter.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Keep telling us.
Okay, this one is 900 millimeters culverts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we have 600 also as we go.
Yeah, so we have larger ones and we have smaller ones.
And the medium ones.
Yeah.
The smaller ones.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And so like this one, if I were to buy it. Guys, I hope you understand the role of culverts. So what I'm seeing here is the mold?
This is the mold?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So like how long does it take to process one, to manufacture one?
Yeah, we normally just do them just once in a day.
Yeah.
Yeah. After,
so you do a single one in a day, or how many in a day?
So it depends on the number of molds you have.
Oh,
but
okay.
you can't do it twice.
Okay, yeah. So one mold does one culvert in a day.
Yeah, in a day.
Ah,
yes.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Yeah, so guys, you've heard it from them. They've got, since they consume a lot of water, they have water tanks all here. And again, you have dug some water source.
Yeah, we have a borehole.
You've got a borehole
within the site.
Within the site, so you pump water into the tank, and that is what you use for curing and also for construction.
Yeah, for construction.
Wonderful. Yeah, so guys, you've heard all that, and as you check around, you can see that these culverts are just so many, and they are of different sizes. For instance, when you look at this here, is different from this that you see here. This is a slightly smaller, and we also have got this other one here that was just removed recently from the mold, and so those are the sizes. And as you keep moving, you'll even see smaller molds like this one that produces smaller culverts like the ones you are seeing here. And the prices depend on the size of the particular culvert. So as you see this large one here, there is also this that is of this size, and there is this one. I mean, there are various sizes and the price depends. And there are just so many all across. To those far ends you can see over there, all those are culverts, right? The reason why we came over here is because we have a subscriber to our channel who is also a client and was interested in doing their fence. And this client needed to do a fence using concrete posts. Reason being that sometimes when you use wooden posts, particularly cedar posts, people go harvesting them and use them to light up fire, or sometimes they are easily broken, and some people also get so malicious to the point of just destroying them just for malicious reasons. And so our client who has been watching our videos saw it wise that we help them in fencing off a section of their farm, and their interest was to use concrete posts. And this client was driven by the confidence they have gotten in us, seeing us always doing these tasks and airing them. So integrity and transparency that they see in our work is what drove them to call us and reach out so that we help them in this task. So I'll be showing you the concrete posts that are made here and their various sizes, so that and we also get to understand particularly what they cost compared to wooden posts, so that from that point we can then share a lot more on what direction to take with the work. Concrete posts are all lying here. These guys have manufactured lots and lots of them. They too are done in molds, and you can see that this mold is lying here, and it is what they use to make the concrete posts. As I check around, I can see that these ones are not as tall as the other ones, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So tell me something about these. What length are they?
Okay, we have two types
Yeah.
of concrete poles that we have in Naima Holdings.
Yes.
So we have 8 feet.
Yeah.
This majorly is a standard one for fencing.
Yeah.
8 feet.
8 feet is the standard one for fencing.
Yeah.
Oh, so that 2 feet goes into the ground.
Yeah, 2 feet or 1.5 feet is enough.
Yeah. So that the rest remains outside.
Maybe 7 feet.
All right. Okay.
Yeah. So you have the 8 feet.
Yeah.
And you have the 10 feet also.
Okay, so there is also 10 feet.
10 feet.
Yeah.
10 feet where I'm standing.
So
10 feet.
Oh, so this is 10 feet long. Okay.
So this one is majorly maybe depending how the customer.
Yeah.
Maybe the place he wants there's no anything that can able to interfere with the.
Yeah, they want a height.
A height, yeah.
When you need a better height, then you can go for 10 feet. I see.
Yeah.
Do you have anything more than 10 feet?
No.
Okay, so 10 feet is the tallest that you have, and we also have 8 feet. Yes. Wonderful. Yeah, so guys, for those who might be interested in doing concrete posts instead of wooden posts, then this also presents another option. And as you can see, one thing is that they are stronger, and secondly is they are too heavy to carry. So anyone would want to maliciously take away or destroy, they are also too tough to destroy. And you can see that the way they are designed here, they are strong, and there is integration of metal material. You see some iron is integrated in it. You can see this is visible from outside here. So it means there's some iron material that is integrated in it that even makes it much more stronger. So nobody would go destroying it. So having seen the concrete posts that I'm trying to describe to you here, you heard that they are of different sizes, and so as such, even the prices vary, and the prices are determined by the length, which is usually measured in feet. So there is a price that is set per foot. And I think we will give you an option of reaching out for price purposes, because again, they're telling us that the prices are even negotiable. I think that is something more positive. If the prices are negotiable and they can be discussed out, and they also have got arrangements where they can help you transport, of course at some cost, but they can help to see that the posts reach the site safely. Those are among the advantages that I'm hearing from my guide here, who is the groundsman. So while doing these concrete posts, you would need some support, as I'm showing you in this other video where we have a complete concrete fence, so you can see from the same. And so they're also having the supports here. So these that you see here are meant to support other posts. And of course, whenever you're doing this, it would be necessary that you use concrete again to mix up the base. So those are among the dynamics of the work. And I think when you reach out as a client, then we would have an opportunity to discuss with you the same in detail. But as you check here, you can see that there are supports that are already in the mold. As you check, you can see that they've already done holes in which the wires would run. So this particularly here is meant to create the hole, so that by the time it dries up, we have got the hole ready. And seemingly they keep playing around with it so that it doesn't stick in, so that this hole will be available by the time the concrete post dries up. Checking around here, you can also see that they've got spindles of various types. There are these types that you see here, and there are also these other types that you see here. They've been here for quite a while, and they've always been treated. They are strong enough to help in construction work. And not just this, we also have got these other ones. Wow, they look so sleek and nice. And I think once you pick it and you've done your construction, you can then do finishing of the same and give it a better outlook compared to what it is on the ground. But these are the spindles that have already been prepared here for purposes of your construction. And as you can see, they also have got some iron material in it, so that also adds some strength into the quality of the particular spindle. These molds here are designed in a style that they'll ultimately give the kind of shape that is desired. And checking around here, these are still drying up, and they will go through the process of the entire long process of curing until it becomes what the client desires. Yeah, speaking of wall cappings, so we have got even these that are designed in a style. So when you'd want to do some good finishing for your wall, you would go for this. They're so stylistic and they look beautiful. And if you want to desire those, then we also have got these other ones here that are also done in their own style. And we also have this, as you can see, quite beautiful, quite nice, nicely done and nicely designed. All these are styles of wall cappings. Besides that, also we have got road channels here. These cubes that you see, they are used as road channels, and usually we have them at the side of the driveway. We integrate them with the road curbs. So having seen this, I'll be showing you also the road curbs, and all these have been done in their numbers, as you can see, and the production is still ongoing. Even right now, we have these that are still in the molds as we wait to see how they'll be drying up and be cured to a point that they'll be adequate. I mean, they'll be sufficiently fit to help in the work that is anticipated. Right, and having told you about road channels, we also have got road curbs, which is the most ideal thing. Actually, it is the most ideal thing for a driveway, unlike the brick edge that we normally do. Now, brick edges are usually more affordable, but they are not durable. They are not strong enough. Now, this is the strong material that is best for your road, your driveways, or sometimes the kind of roads that you might want to do, or sometimes the walkways that you might want to construct. This gives you a better finishing of the work, especially in landscaping and beautification. We use this quite a lot. The noise you can hear is because this whole enterprise is set up to a roadside, so vehicles keep moving around. These road curbs have also been produced in their numbers. They're just so many. And besides them, we have got the water channels. Sometimes you do not know where to direct, how to redirect your water at the time of construction, because usually there is water runoff. The kind of design that you see here is what is most ideal for you. I think in our subsequent videos where we will have used this, we will show you how they work. But for today, we were here to show you how they are produced, so that you get to understand that these also are things that are within Migori County, and they can always help you, can always reach out. As I told you before, is that we saw it wise to update you about all this because of our many friends and subscribers and clients who are not within the country, but they want to see their work done, but they're not so sure where to source materials from, who will do that work, who can be trusted to do that work, because again, that is always another great challenge. You live in the diaspora, but you want to see that everything is ongoing back at home. You do not know whom you can trust to see that your house is constructed to completion. You do not know whom to trust to see that your landscaping is done. You do not know whom exactly can do your gardening services. Yeah, and so we came over here just to confirm to you that this is a possibility. Perhaps before I speak a lot more, we've been here with Pam and want to give her opportunity that you get to hear from her as well. As I was walking around, she was attending to other office duties that grounded her. She had to sit back and attend to them as I was doing the video. But here she is. Welcome, madam. Welcome, my learned friend.
My learned friend, yeah, okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Hi, everyone, and this is Pamela of Doing Has Been Like This. Today we are at a different point. This is called Naima
Holdings.
Naima Holdings. Naima Holdings deals with a lot of concrete work, molding.
Yeah.
Molding, right?
Right.
Yeah, molding, a lot of concrete work. There are vents, we have the concrete posts, we have this kind of molds. How do we call these ones?
These
the
are
pillars.
spindles.
Spindles,
Yeah.
the pillars, yes. So we were here just to look at them, and our main interest, I think, are the concrete posts.
Yes, our interest was the concrete posts because
Yes.
that is what our client had requested for, that we use for fencing off their yard.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, so as you know, even concrete posts they have advantage over the wooden that we normally use.
Absolutely.
And a client may require, or rather may need to go in for them just because of the advantages that they have over the wooden ones.
Yeah.
Yes, I think my learned friend has highlighted most of the things.
Yeah,
So-
I
so
highlighted
I don't need
that.
to talk much.
Yeah, and I think
Yeah.
one clear point is that this is what our client was telling me on phone, is that they usually have a problem in initiating or implementing their construction work back at home. And by experience is that when you live in the diaspora and you want some of your things undertaken back here at home, the people you trust to do this work can mess you up. And this has been witnessed quite a lot. I'm actually a witness. I can testify to the fact that the people back at home, one attitude we have is that the people in the diaspora have a lot of
A
money.
lot of money.
So even if they lose, it is not
It's
such a
not
big
a
loss,
big
it's
loss.
not an issue.
Yeah, which is a very wrong idea.
A very wrong attitude. Everyone is struggling to make money and people want to develop back home because, you know, when you are far away
And you know that in the diaspora they work very hard. They work a lot, even more than we work here.
Yes.
Because somebody was telling me that in the US, somebody will be working for 2 hours, then after some other hour, he goes to a different job. So they keep working and working
Yeah.
to earn that money. But maybe in Kenya here, we'll be working for 8 hours or rather 6 hours, then you go back home.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the people who do that kind of a job back here at home are us.
Yeah.
Pam,
Yeah.
how many stations have we reported to since morning?
Yeah, this is now the third one.
Yeah, so in the morning when Pam was rushing to attend to something at the tree nursery, I had to rush to the radio station for a talk show that I couldn't bring on camera, but I look forward to bringing a radio talk show on camera someday. And I also had to get to some meeting that I finished, and we joined up hands to be here to finish up this work before we rush to Nyabohanse.
Now, yeah. So that's how it has been.
That is how it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, and usually it gets so tough with us, but we are managing. And so, in the understanding that everyone is struggling to see a better tomorrow, we back here at home, we can assure you that we can help you to oversee your construction work. Sometimes you might also want to acquire some piece of land. You can trust us. I can confidently say you can trust us. We can help you. We can also help you to do your forest gardening. You might have a garden around and you're not so certain how it will go. We have so many people who have got some piece of land and you'd want to plant some trees in it, and you're not so certain who will plant them in the
And
desired
maintain and
manner.
take care of them.
Yes, who will maintain them, who will take care of them. yes, you can trust us to help you in all that and with a lot more. I think the more we interact, because we are a family to the globe, we are a universal family, we are open to any race, any tribe, as in we have no boundaries. We want to be your other brother, your other sister who is holding it this end. And
And I think you can remember one of our clients just sent us a picture of the concrete pillars,
yeah,
posts that
yeah.
were used to fence his shamba. It was a really shoddy job.
Yeah,
And he's looking forward to engaging us on this. Though it's a
yes.
little bit far, though, but we are waiting for communication from her as well.
Yeah, we went and inspected the yard and saw that some construction of the fence had been done, but it wasn't done to the desired standards. I do not understand what could have contributed to that, but I think one reason is because they were away. So, people who do the work can take advantage. But now for us, it is hard to take advantage, even if we wished to, because by the end of the day, we must show the world what we have done
But
for
why
you.
should we take that advantage?
It makes no
People are
sense.
struggling to make ends meet.
Yeah, and then, integrity is very key, and it is one of our core
It's
values.
something that can make you go far.
Yeah, because when you start messing around with one client, you will lose a million other clients. So
Exactly.
what is the
Yeah,
point?
for
Yeah,
sure.
yeah. So we are desiring to do just the best. So I think that is all we had for you from Naima Holdings in an area that is called Kakrao,
Kakrao.
which is in Suna East Sub-County of Migori County in Kenya. And this is not too far away from our operation area. We look forward to updating you a lot more. If we successfully manage to get onto that site and initiate the work of fencing, then that will always be here, right here on camera, and you'll get to know how we do it, how it is done, and how we will have finished it. We look forward to doing the best that we can. Thank you so much for staying tuned to Joint Hands Green Life Trees.
Yes, and kindly, if you come across this channel, please just subscribe, like, and share so that you can help us spread love. We are in the mission of spreading love.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, to spread love, to spread honesty, to spread kindness,
Yeah.
to spread humanity. Yes, because the value of humanity is fast fading, but we must hold on to it. We are not ready to lose it because we are human race and we've got to uphold humanity. Thank you so much. Till we catch up in our next video.
For now,
For now,
bye.
bye-bye.